Good afternoon, this is Super Simple Fixes, and today we're going to change the battery on a Schlage door lock. This is one of those fancy ones where you can actually punch in a combination on the outside, but what we're doing right now, we're going to go ahead and take the screw off the bottom on the inside. We're on the inside of the door right now. Two screws, and there's one up top.
Fit it.
And just comes right off. And you'll see that there is a 9-volt on the bottom. Just unhook that. And then there's a spring-loaded battery compartment that you have to pop the screw off and it'll pull out, and you'll get some AAA batteries. Pop them out.
Double A.
AA batteries. Pop them out, and then we just change the batteries, pop them right back in. Yep, we're just making sure that the polarity is good. Alright, pop that back in there. See how it's spring loaded, pops out like that. Alright, and we are pushing the battery casing back in there so that we can put that screw back in there to hold it. The new 9-volt. Fits right in there.
Line up.
Just got to line up that little latch. With the...
Make sure it line up, turns.
And that's pretty much it. Right now we are putting the screws back in, and I'll just show you the outside of the door real quick. This is what the outside looks like. Alright, and that's it for Super Simple Fixes on changing the batteries on a Schlage combination home door lock. Thanks. Bye.